we'll discuss the Karnaugh map, popularly known as KMap, with a particular problems. Now, in this particular problem, there are four variables A, B, C, D as input, and these are the outputs. And already in the way I said that about the don't care, the don't care will not have any importance in particular some digital system, that these outputs are of no interest, and therefore if these outputs, either it can be 0, it can be 1, and but in the case of a KMap, we plot it by x cross, we can plot it by cross, and obviously the main outputs we put it in by 1, and the remaining obviously will put it 0. Now we come to this particular problems, and already I told that we should be very comfortable converting from digital to binary and binary to digital. Therefore, because these M0 to M15s are in the digital forms, it has been given that while plotting, this is the place for M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As 1 we have plotted M1 we have plotted here, M3, M4, M5, M13 and 15. And the don't care 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11 we have plotted. Now we come to the groupings. Now we come to the groupings. You can see it here that we already I said that grouping can be done with a pair quad, that means 2 ones, that 4 ones, 8 ones, and 16 one is also we can take. If in the case of a 16 all the are ones, then output will be 1. But in our case it is not that. If we have to make a groups, that now we have to, but while grouping we have to see that it is to be maximized. The groups is more number of main terms are included in that group. Now we can see that if we take this group, that means if we take this group with twist x, we are considering as 1. I told that is the don't care, we can consider them as 1 if it is included in the groups. If it is not included in the groups, we'll consider this x as 0, and that is the concept about the don't care. Now in this case here you can see, you can take this 4 main terms are there in this group, but in this also there are 4 main terms. Therefore we can take this is one of the group. This all the ones should be included. Therefore we can minimize, that means all the maximize the groups we can. Therefore this is the 4. There is also 4. Therefore let us take, this is the one of the groups. This is the take 1 groups, and then there are 4 are remaining. And here it comes, if you efficiently if you want to do and correctly you want to do, if we take these 2, then you are doing a mistake, because I told that in case of a rolling the map, this row, this row, this row and this row are adjacent to each other. If you roll it like a cylindrical, then it will be adjacent to each other. Therefore therefore I can take, if we take these 2 to only these 2, then I am doing a mistake. I have to take this and 2 and these 2 also, because these 2 are, and Another thing here in this, while making the groups, you can, another thing to see, observe that it is rolling the map. Due to rolling of the map, this group is possible. Another thing, these two don't care already been included in the earlier group, and again it is been included. That is also allowed, and that is known as overlappings. It's known as overlapping of the groups. That is allowed. It is maybe a don't care. It may be a one also. Therefore, this is the group is possible, and these two we cannot make. You can all options, if you see that it is not possible to make a more than two. Therefore, we make a group of this is two only. You have to see the all possible options to maximize the group members. Therefore, we can, after that, we write for each groups, we write the expressions. Now, for the first group, what I made the first group, if you will see that, if you come horizontally, that B and B bar is get cancelled, A is remaining. If you come to the vertically, you can see C bar and C get cancelled. Therefore, the remaining is D. Therefore, this group will A into D. A into D. Plus the second groups I made, that is the group I made it. Therefore, if we come to the horizontal, you can see the A is get eliminated, A bar, and this is A, then remaining is B bar. And if you come to the vertically, you can see that C bar and C get cancelled. Remaining is B bar into, and already I told it is C bar and C get eliminated. Remaining is D. Therefore, I can write D here. Plus for this group, it's A bar into B. It is direct. It is A bar into B. A bar into B. And if you go vertically, you can see that D bar and D get eliminated, and remaining is C bar. Therefore, this is the expression for this. Therefore, this is the complete simplifications with the KMap. And in this, particularly to notice the things, I mentioned, notice the things, few things. It is a rolling the map is to be noticed. That means two adjacent, this row is adjacent to each other. Overlapping of the groups, these 2x already been included in two groups, and you can see that we made the grouping with 2, 4, but here octet is not possible. Therefore, there is no 8 members in a group, and therefore we did a simplifications here.